Yes, welcome back. The program now asks it a hot, and on today's matter, they look at the proposed bailout where some governors don't do it. Don't carry like go meet Oga President, say make they do it, make it bail them a second time. We also outline say yes, say we also give a list of some of the states where they involved in the first bailout and also mention the amounts where they collect. And presently, we will also give now the rundown of states where they do it, where they owe their workers, and the number of months where they owe their workers. Chukudi is there for studio, and we'll see they address this matter, and we'll see they collect on our call as the matter they go. Chukudi, as this matter don't go, a couple of calls we don't get so far, they point on one thing. And that will be say, okay, make we see a breakdown of how I take spend the previous money. True. So that at least we go feel no say yes, so sincerely, the billet that they call demand for, yes, we don't see, okay, we don't see this one. And apart from that, you said something, say, okay, if we as governors, for instance, we know if we do it to say we channel our thoughts inside areas where we generate money. Okay, look, we take a typical example. When the governors they do their own governors forum, we know how strong they did. Why not bring that strength into the policies where they improve now this? So I mean, if we bring in the right change. We got a caller right now. Good morning.
Hello, good morning, Mr. Kobe.
Good morning, Oga, okay?
Good morning, Chukode.
Good morning, Oga, okay?
I always give you now.
We greet you too.
I beg, I get, when you mention names, get my two states where me I know the amount where they follow collect. I beg, I be here, Cross River State and Anambra State.
Okay.
Cross River. Okay. Cross River. We talk say Cross River they collect 7.856 billion.
Okay, Anambra please.
Anambra no they involved.
Okay, they didn't collect.
No, Anambra no they yet.
Okay, thank you. Make our keep mouth more. I beg, it don't reach the time where we say any one kobo where they come out from federal, where they come out, they will follow that one kobo, monitor how they spend them. No be to bail, they call and bail out for each state. But now I'm seeing it bail out for each governor's account. So I think it's right time to follow up things. Because Nigeria, the way they act like big man we don't hold, see they see himself as small picking. Now Nigeria they act, which will not lead us to direction and which will not even make us to progress and grow up. It's hard time to follow up each critical where they come out. Because people they suffer. He go suffer, say no job, then he get a job. Or yeah, now to pay now war, high jump. It's not proper.
Very
so
true.
let them try, please. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much
for this important contribution. You don't talk with him, make plenty sense. We get Oga Bobby. Oga Bobby, they call us all the way from Amsterdam. Oga Bobby, good morning and welcome to our city hall.
Una too, I will greet you now.
Oga Bobby, what do you do now?
Because people when they owe money, they're not there any political party. Those when they owe money, when the state, each state they hold, they're not get a political party. But Ukubi and Shukudi, una turn this into political party matter. So especially you, Shukudi, you turn it into political, you point fingers if one particular party before.
But Oga Bobby, I get one question. Oga Bobby, I get one question to ask you.
Ask me.
If he be say at some point in time, people they claim say the reason why we they owe now because of say this political party when they there before, this president when they there before, if they do this thing deliberately so that we don't go fix the money to pay. Now we don't get the same party when we talk say we won't bring goodness come Nigeria, and the president even do one hand. Give una bailout money, and we see people still they owe from that same political party. I mean, is it not like
it's very visible.
First of all, you don't give your point now. Let me talk now.
Okay.
You give your point. First of all, now the president you will blame. I mean, the state governors and when they owe.
Say who we go blame? Say he give money.
Everybody this matter.
Everybody when they involved in
this governors, they when they owe money. I mean, the president when give the bailout.
Oga Bobby, everybody when they involved.
Everybody they
from
now
this
go blame.
And they ask you a question, and you ask me a question, and now the answer question to answer your question now.
Okay.
So first of all, you don't go blame the president when they say he give the loan. They complain, the president give loans. Okay, we not take bailout.
Okay.
For what it happen for Europe here too. They bail out a country. Even state said that they bail them out from if they're in crisis. Like Greece, they bail Greece out several times. But the thing is, when did they use the money to do? That's the question what they say. That's the $1 million question we get.
What they ask, yeah.
Now, first of all, this is not time when they say EFCC need to do their work. And that's when I talk about before, say EFCC need to monitor the money. But the moment when they give the bailout money, I talk about this show. Say the EFCC need to monitor where the money to go. Watch each of them, each of the government, when they give money to how they spend the money pass, they need to give accountability for where they use the money for. You understand me now? So this is not matter of blaming one party, but rather to blame the governors and when they hold the money and not use the money to do what they want to police that they do.
Okay,
that's my contribution.
Thank you very much for your contribution. I will still talk and say you be one of our huge fans where they come from Amsterdam, and because I say you get the interest of the nation, that's why they always call. We got Precious they call us. Good morning, Precious.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I'm from Imo State.
Okay, will they hear you, Precious?
Say our governor collect 26 billion points.
26.
When I go help us ask our governor, waiting our governor use that money to. Because as he did, even the salary when they say they slight salary they give workers. I beg, when I help me ask our change governor, waiting you use the money to. Thank you.
Precious.
Thank you very much, Precious.
Thank you very much for this important question when you don't ask. Make I address what Oga Bobby talk. Oga Bobby, whether we like him or not, culpability and responsibility for the people when they involved, we will keep them for their doorstep. First and foremost, anybody will carry over 400 billion naira, give people say you want use do bailouts, say make them pay salaries, or people when we say don't work, you they owe them. And you don't go do follow up on how they take spend that money.
Yes,
you get your own blame. Then you when we say they can't break them down, can't give you bailout, you don't come do what you supposed to. You can't they come again, can't they ask.
You still get involved.
Those when they represent us for government, whether they're federal, whether they're state. Now the interest of the people now they protect because the only reason why they're there, I want to give them legitimacy. Now the fact say people talk say we endorse this particular person making the force. So the one about say make we talk say this political party, that political party. If political party come and they sing to us say our party na this, na that, and we going to do the same thing when the other people do. How you want to explain that one?
Take it easy.
It shows that you are not different.
No.
In the government of change.
We don't hear you. In a government of change. We get Kenneth. Kenneth, they call us from Bariga. Good morning, Kenneth.
It will not connect to yours, don't happen.
Kenneth, they hear you.
Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, fire over here.
See, Nkubi.
Yes, Oga Kenneth, they hear you.
Nkubi, Chukwudi, the thing where they for this matter, we say, now God hand we there for this country. We don't know who to trust, whether na Oga President, or na the governors. We don't know.
Okay, they hear.
And the thing where happen, we say, up to 1 year where Oga President don't enter now, we never hear anything positive. Everything does they go up every day. And that thing, I don't know how it could take be. If this thing linger for 2 years, all man there for trouble. Na serious matter. No, we not a joke about it. Now just pray as coward. Now the thing why I want to talk.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thank you very much for your important contribution and the fact say you say don't join mouth on top of this particular matter. Oga Bobby also talk once he said the EFCC and the ICPC must stand up and do what they're supposed to do. I don't believe say now this issue now it is unfortunate say this issue now what we discuss now. So after we disburse over 400 billion over 6 months after we give out the money. Now we don't talk say make the EFCC do their work. If mechanisms they in place to see say okay, as this money they enter, see where the thing they go. Make people not come the whole salary. Now we say we not go even they talk this matter at all. It just means say the same system what they do before when they cause problem, the thing still there. We get Oga Chuks. Oga Chuks, thank you for your patience at the verse, but welcome to As the Hot.
Oga Chuks, good morning.
Oga Chuks, good morning.
Good morning, Chuks.
Oga Chuks, good morning.
Good morning, we hear you.
Yes, if you don't say why I don't they call, quick connect, but I thank God they connect now.
Okay.
You see, from Delta, I first of all want chipping this thing. You see that 1 month, or how many months rather, you say Delta they owe?
Delta they owe 1 month.
1 month.
And they collect 10.06 billion.
My brother, na typical lie. I get people where they work for government, you understand? Many months, Let me not be specific. Not be 2, not be 3. But I don't want to be specific. So that information will be there. Now, complete lie, my brother. Even all the enter. In fact, look, I look that side. Now, what I want to talk for this thing to work. Now, that Buhari, now, the thing they hand. If Buhari want to make this thing work, now to call these people when you don't give money, what do you use your money do? If now when you give them the money for, now you use the money do. You can go ahead and give them. But if not enough, let them go offer that money to pay salary. Because it is unethical, it is satanic, it is devilish. For somebody to work for somebody, and at the end of the day, at the end of the month, having children, having bills to pay, you know children. Not 1 month, not 2 months, not 3 months. It is satanic, my brother. Very, very satanic and devilish. And that is the change we are in. It is either good or bad. Change na change. It's either it go good or it go worse. So I don't blame them. But my stance still stay. Because our God president do. Now your hand is there. For this thing to work out very well. All your people to order. After waiting, they use money do. Before you give them another one. And if you give somebody money, you say carry the money, enter into another project.
Oga Chooks, thank you very much for this important question. We get Oga Bobby. Oga Bobby, don't call us back. Oga Bobby, welcome back again to RCD Hot.
Yes. You remember, again, what I want to say, none of the governors get vision. They don't get vision for what they're supposed to do. And they talk, I'm going to repeat them again. Vision, they don't get. None of them get them. So, see, they look beyond. You look beyond 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. None of them get out. The lack of vision like in Nigeria. Because people were supposed to run for offices, they let them run for office. People went get money, now they run for office. How to embezzle, how to enrich themselves. That's the people went decide the government for Nigeria. So the aspect of the bailout, you go look at Buhari trying to give a bailout because they cry when Nigerian citizens cry. If federal government don't intervene, it will get the chaos of being worse.
Very
but
true.
the thing is, the problem when they say we all know the president supposed to do, we say is for monitoring, ask them the questions. But say you know who are the what bailout use the bailout money for. That's the question. When they say where go say okay, he not do.
Very, very
you
true.
understand me? But
True.
I think say federal government need to do. We need to create another office when more than EFCC. When we investigate other people again because this is getting a chaos.
Yeah, very true.
Yeah,
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for calling
Oga
us back
Bobby.
and for this your important contribution. We get Oga Sylvester. Oga Sylvester there on the line. Oga Sylvester, thank you very much for your patience and welcome to our City Hot.
God will bless you, man.
Good morning, Sylvester.
My body they hot as I dey talk.
Take a easy, don't let that too hot.
Because the way where this country they go, like I say, everybody they need to even drop the democratic system of government. You start on a parallel government, you go dey work like that they go. Now you mentioned 4 good states where they receive the highest revenue allocation. Rivers State dey there. Delta State dey there. Bayelsa State dey there. Why they go to keep for bailout? What did they need bailout for? Now they give them bailout. See the money when they even take for bailout. Compared to Edo State. Can Edo State compare Delta State or River State for any other thing? Look the bailout on Edo State take. 3.20 billion. Check River State too. Check Delta State too. Check Bayelsa State too. What now? And misappropriation of funds. Okay, president, he get your own blame. He give money, he give bailout. Why you not follow the bailout up? So
Yes, good question. Why you not follow the bailout up?
Make them pursue out too. Make them pursue out too. Make them pursue everybody too. Secondly, I don't tire for this government. If they say change go come, yes, we know it is very easy to destroy, but to amend it is not that easy.
Very true.
Yes,
Oga Sylvester, thank you very much for this your important contribution. We get Adesuwa. Adesuwa, they call us all the way from Ayobo. Adesuwa, welcome to As It Hot.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, Adesuwa.
I dey vex. I don't even want to tell you good morning before, sef. I dey vex.
No vex, so just take am easy, contribute to dey hear you.
I don't even waiting two of them they discuss for here. They make me the para.
Adesuwa, take am easy o.
Shebi Mr. President say him get first. Abi? And he's the head of Nigeria, Abi? I go give money to some stupid people. If not be ask them, what did they use the money to?
Adesuwa, we dey get your point, but you get some kind of strong language wey we say you don't drop. We no go like am, but just continue, just drive, go your point, abeg.
Okay. For that one, I sincerely apologize.
Okay, thank you. Continue.
But you know what they vex me? I go give person money. The person no fit give you record of what they use the money do, and they come back to collect another one. This has been going on for a very long time. Same problem we have in PDP. Now it's change. Are they turning it to change? See, people are dying on the street. Not the until person enter grade before you go know the person they die. These people they keep collecting our money, keeping it in their pockets, and we know it. It's not as if you people are discussing. It's not like you don't know what is going on. We all know what is going on. We need a change. We need they should put an end to this whole thing. We need a change.
Adesuwa, this matter they pay you very, very well.
Adesuwa,
we don't know your point,
very,
and we don't
much.
get the fact say
Thank you very
the thing
much
they
for
really
that,
touch
for
you for your mind. We
contribution.
appreciate the fact that you don't give us this your contribution. Quickly, we go rush enter inside this break. When we go the break, come back. From all the problems we don't discuss, we will begin a profile solutions. We don't go tired because this country belongs to all of us. And if we get them right, now all of us go benefit from them. No go anywhere. Now still as in a complete time. Oh. Welcome back to Asiri Hot on top of the senior brother for the television stations when they start to the world. Wazobia Max UHF 57, Lagos, Port Harcourt and Abuja, and Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. We don't hear all the contribution when we say plenty of our callers don't come from different parts of Nigeria to Chukma for inside this matter. And also, we dey very, very certain say plenty people there for our house when we say they still won't contribute for this issue. We get Justice all the way from Plateau State. Oga Justice, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning, Justice.
Okay, I beg, I know say the matter the hot well. When I never tell you the hot, and I call them at the hot. Now in the hot passage, but the matter says you know wahala. I know say na solution all of us will look for this. Now solution all of us will look for. I know say wetin I want suggest is say as our other president don't give this money, to bail out states from their debt bond, and they don't turn it away. Now I believe say you suppose give them two example. Make him call the governors wey dey involved. Make him call them. Ask them wetin they take the money to. If they no fit account for it, if there's any legal measure, any constitutional measure wey suppose take against them, make others make that thing serve as example. So Nigerians will know say yes, to our interest there at the produce house. But if the matter just die like that and come to them another fund or allow them to make them go do for me anyhow they think they still continue. I believe that if you want to change this country to make it change our politicians. Because are the same people now, same person change from Arsenal to Man, you never change him from being a footballer or from the football team. So we need to work on these people. Make them know that they are not there for their own interest.
Yes,
they are there for the masses, not for their personal businesses. It gets as it be now. I dey tell somebody, all of us are 70,000. Salary no increase. It's better thing going to increase the market. But I believe say one day, things will be back for this country.
Oga Justice.
Oga Justice, thank you very much for this your important contribution. And you profile one solution wey make plenty sense. You talk say the government, our federal government, for example, when we say give out this money to these states, must carry one strong leg to show say dem go take this matter very, very seriously. You talk say if na through legal means, wey go make am very, very difficult for these states to just collect money, do wetin dem wan do with am, come back again, come dey ask for, say make dem no see am at all. But we get states wey dey always dey complain of ghost workers. E be like say na the easiest excuse wey people get. Make we ask ourselves, for the private sector, why e be say people dey complain say business no dey move, nobody dey talk about ghost workers. We get ways through which you fit check people when they work. You fit ensure say people they work, and you fit see say that they do wetin that they do. Person when be say no they work at all. Why you be saying that only for government? Would they see those kind of people when be say no they work and then they collect salaries?
The question be say who be the people wey dey behind the ghost workers? You want
maybe
them say
Akoni when they call us from Agbara go tell us the answer. Oga Akoni, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Yemi, good morning.
No, Yemi.
Yemi, good morning. Good hear you.
So good morning, my brother.
Good morning.
I want to start with one Awuchi proverb.
Okay.
Awuchi proverb say, instead of make you support your friend for bad thing, tell them saying wrong, pay the fine. You know, all of us now we get this country. So if then they do the way that they do so, we're not going to achieve anything for this country. If you give me bailout, and you know say not be say for chop party, you must find out what I do with that bailout. And when I ask for another one, because the people when they cry, they're not from Togo. You give bailout, people not see salary. Look, we think and well. If we think and well, we not say monkey hand or enter soup. And because of the semblance of monkey hand to human being, make we come out. This change. I remember they do election. For Osun State, they said they never give them money. When the other party go, they said they don't give them money. Everybody, because we invest that, and nobody agree listening to those people. But now, they say lie go journey for 100 years. The day when truth wake up for sleep is my pastor. Make this government know say we don't pass that stage where they will feed deceive us.
Very true.
Yes.
And propaganda be all this nonsense.
Very, very true.
Face governance.
We don't get your point.
Yeah, we don't get your point. Thank you very much.
We supposed get accountability. You know, go vex. We get Oga Andy. You know, they wait patiently. Oga Andy from Lekki. Good morning and welcome to our City Hot.
Yeah, brother.
Good morning.
We greet you.
Yeah, the system of government, you don't take away with the real government, and they will have many type of government agencies. I'm afraid of this bailout. I saw somewhere when I write for my own television. It says, "Who is bailing who?" This system of bailout. This is not system of not a system of government. Now this there's a trick inside this bailout matter. Let people think otherwise. Because every free gift has a certain agenda. That's my own suggestion. Now I want to talk about because this system of giving blah. Now the system of not a system, they will tell this to
anyway, Oga Andy,
we don't know
get your point.
But it go good make we also explain. Say you been talk say the system of bailout. Not this thing. But it go good make we also explain. Say not be say Oga President just come just talk say okay make una take this particular money.
Yes.
He get requirements when we say the state them suppose meet. Then apply for them. And when they come check, come see say okay una qualify to collect this thing. They can't give amount. Not be say Oga President just come begin the door cash because the money will belong to all of us. But plenty people they try talk say if we get system, for example, this person talk say he need money to pay salary. Come and say okay, check whether you get this one, check whether you get that one. And he can't get them. You can't give him that money. You suppose ensure say waiting in talk say when use that money do. Now he go use that money do so that he no go come back again. Come they ask for more money. The situation when they face now, the situation when we say people when don't collect bailouts for payment of salary, outstanding salaries when they owe. We hope say they don't pay them. But we they see figures of states when we say that they owe. Some states they owe 5 months, dating back as far back as last year. Others they owe 4 months, dating back as far back as January. What thing can happen when we say you no come fit pay again after they don't give you money to pay states?
Apart from that, and that's what we also need to look. Say we get anti-corrupt bodies. They say their responsibility now to also do it in carry out proper investigate. Okay, ICPC that is ICPC will be Independent Corrupt and Practices and Related Offences Commission carry out a comprehensive and this on top of this matter. Can also discover say a lot of these people, a lot of the money where they give out then will be bailed out. Say a lot of the money go inside areas where we say they are appropriate. Maybe not be the primary reason where they can't borrow the money for. No, and it can't be saying under areas where we say okay they put up for this place, they put up for this account. Okay, when we don't see all these things. We don't uncover all these things. What it make us? What it that when they stop us from not saying, okay, make we follow up, know who and who they behind. Okay, typical example. We get the typical example of Imo State where we say, so the catch up where we say, okay, somehow, one government official they go paying money wey they suppose pay into one kind account. These are questions you suppose dey ask, follow up, make we see the real result of it, make we know where these things dey come from, who dey behind, and the right step or punishment wey this person suppose follow.
Very, very
na what you suppose dey do.
On top of our city hut, we go dey talk. On top of our city hut, we go dey ask questions. On top of our city hut, we go enjoin every Nigerian to dey contribute for this particular matter. We dey talk say we be 180 million plus strong voices. If we speak as one, those wey dey represent us go do wetin dey good for this country. We know say to achieve success and greatness for our country no be small play, no be something wey go happen one day, but we must to dey see step, and those wey dey represent us, we no go allow them continue to dey do the way wey we say all of us agree say e go lead us into Canaan. We wan go to paradise, we wan go to the land of milk and honey, and together we go waka until we come back again tomorrow with another topic wey dey comot plenty smoke. Nkubi abi wan talk and say in a government of change, but I dey control myself.
You don do. See tomorrow I wan come again with another.
I don already talk am now. Which be this thing? In a government of change. In a government of change.
Una bye bye.
In a government of change.
Una bye bye.
In a government of change. Make I talk my own. In a government of change. All inside Alice. Why would they be going?